ChatBase. Imagine building a custom AI chatbot for your business in minutes. No coding, no complexity. That's exactly what ChatBase delivers. Trusted by more than 9,000 businesses worldwide, ChatBase is designed for anyone to create, train, and deploy intelligent conversational agents that automate support, qualify leads, and boost engagement. Founded with a mission to make AI-powered conversations accessible, ChatBase specializes in large language model-driven chatbots that can be trained on your data, from PDFs and blogs to websites and product guides, transforming them into expert-level virtual assistants. One of its standout features is the AI Playground, where businesses can compare responses from different AI models side by side to fine-tune chatbot performance. Combined with advanced analytics, it gives companies full visibility into how bots are performing and where to improve. With multi-channel deployment, ChatBase bots can go live on websites, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Slack, Wix, WordPress, and more. The platform also integrates seamlessly with tools like Zapier, Calendly, and Slack, enabling AI-driven actions such as scheduling meetings and sending notifications. Security is at the core of ChatBase with end-to-end encryption, GDPR compliance, role-based access, and audit logs, ensuring businesses can scale AI safely. From 24/7 customer support to sales assistance and lead generation, ChatBase empowers companies of all sizes to leverage AI chatbots without technical barriers. It's more than a chatbot builder. It's a complete conversational AI platform designed to scale with your business.